Men over 40 in Nigeria and around the world, have you noticed your manhood doesn't feel as full, firm, or strong like it used to? Are your morning erections weak or completely gone? You're not alone. But guess what? This change isn't just age. Your lifestyle is secretly shrinking your manhood. And today, I'll show you how to fix it, naturally. Welcome back to Unstoppable Men 40 Plus, the #1 channel for men's health, energy, and bedroom performance. I'm Dr. Peter Whyte. If you're over 40 and want to stay powerful, this video is for you. So, hit that subscribe button and share this with another man who needs this truth. Section 1, what's really happening down there? Most men over 40 start to experience a gradual reduction in the size and strength of their erections, not just during intimacy, but even at rest. Here's the shocking truth. Testosterone is dropping. Blood flow is getting blocked. Your diet is wrecking your vascular health. Smoking, belly fat, alcohol, and stress are the real enemies. Erectile tissue is made of smooth muscle and blood vessels. When blood doesn't flow freely, the tissue becomes fibrotic. It shrinks, hardens, and loses function. Section 2, the Nigerian lifestyle that's making it worse. Let's be honest. Too much coffee, no water. Heavy rice and swallow at night. Smoking and weekend alcohol. Sitting for hours with no exercise. Our Nigerian diet is rich but not always man-friendly. Excess carbs and poor blood sugar control affect nitric oxide production, the chemical that triggers an erection. Add stress, lack of quality sleep, and no exercise, and you've got the perfect storm for manhood shrinkage. Section 3, the 3 silent killers of your manhood. Belly fat converts testosterone to estrogen. And that's a common feature in most men 40-plus porn and amp. Over-masturbation lowers dopamine and desensitizes your response. High blood pressure, diabetes. These kill the nerves and vessels supplying your penis. Men, if you're living with any of these and doing nothing about them, you're accelerating the shrinking process. Section 4, how to naturally boost and restore size and function. Here are 5 natural fixes that work, especially for Niger men. Kegel exercises. Strengthens pelvic floor muscles. Just 5 minutes daily can increase stamina and firmness. Ginger plus garlic plus honey plus clove mix. A powerful combo that increases blood flow and libido. Morning walks or jogging. Exercise increases testosterone and nitric oxide production. Zinc plus magnesium plus vitamin D. These nutrients support testosterone. My recommended herbal combo. Ideal Solution plus Rider Promax. A safe, natural combo that's helped thousands of Nigerian men reclaim their performance. Link in the description. Remember, size doesn't vanish overnight. You have control. The changes you make today will determine your confidence tomorrow. Don't ignore the signs. Start the Kegels. Improve your diet. Use the right supplements. And take back your power like a true man. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if this video helped you, and share with your brothers, friends, and even your pastor. Every man over 40 needs to hear this. This is Dr. Peter Whyte. Stay strong, stay focused, stay unstoppable.